Some freestanding ladder advice. Here we are in a carpeted room. Some things to remember is when doing this is that as we climb the ladder without the wall, that we want to make sure that the ladder's tilted at a little bit of an angle here. And as we go up the ladder, one rung at a time, we are rocking ourselves back and forth and holding the rest of the ladder firmly. As always, with any sort of juggling circus stunt, it's really important to have the proper equipment. So you do have to have a solid ladder that's pretty well straight and parallel going all the way up. So as I perform, really important that I'm kind of looking around me. I don't want to fall over anything. And I start rocking myself back and forth. I put my body close to it. Let me go to the side so you can see. So maybe you can see how close my body is to the ladder itself. And definitely you want to keep practicing. If you fall off or you lose your balance, you want to just step off. You don't want to impact and fall down. So going back and forth on it, putting my body close to it. And then when I'm ready, I take a step up, and then I do the same process, rocking myself back and forth. So climbing a ladder without a wall, when I feel like I have my balance, I take a step up and back and forth, and when I feel like there's the balance, take a step up, and then as we fall, we just got to be careful. Like I was saying, is you want to make sure you're kind of stepping off the object as you fall and being careful. There was a table right there, so I just need to pace myself a little bit, just like with a lot of you as you're practicing this. The better your environment is, the less likely you are to be hurt. Also, you have to have at least the good equipment to practice.